Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this video, we are going to explore about MS Excel function average deviation. The function average deviation does the equivalent mathematical operation in MS Excel. For those who are not aware or have forgotten about mean absolute deviation, let us refresh your mathematical concepts. Average deviation or mean absolute deviation is calculated to know on average level how far all the values are from center. In our example today, we have taken the temperature data for the famous four cities Wellington, Paris, Dubai and Toronto. This temperature data is in Celsius degree and capture last year's daily average temperature on monthly frequency. Firstly, let's see how to calculate average deviation mathematically in MS Excel. In cell D18, we will retrieve average value of above mentioned temperature using Excel function average. After using the same formula, we will then drag the same from cell D18 to cell G18. Now, we will come to cell J6. Here, we will subtract individual temperature with mean value. Please note that we require absolute value here, hence we will now use ABS function to get absolute value. Let's use $sign so that our formula becomes dynamic. We can now copy paste the whole formula in the entire table range. Now, in cell J20, we will simply retrieve average of the values retrieved in above table. Again, we will use Excel function average to calculate the same. We will get mean absolute deviation value. We will copy paste the value in adjacent cells. Though manually calculating mean absolute deviation is not a lengthy process in MS Excel or in your notebook. Manual calculation, which took minutes to retrieve mean absolute deviation, can be done in seconds by using MS Excel function. Average deviation function has following syntax: equal to average deviation, bracket open, numbers. In number, we can link cells separated by commas. For example, let's calculate average deviation for New Zealand summer, which lasts from December, January and February. Or cell range of array. Let's calculate average deviation of New Zealand winter months, which last from April to September. In a formula, we can link up to 1 to 255 arguments for which we want mean absolute deviation. Let's use the same in cell D20. We will write equal to average deviation, bracket open, link cell range D6 to D17 and close the bracket. You can match the value of manual calculation done in cell J20 with cell D20. We will copy paste the formula of cell D20 to cell G20 and we will get our desired result. Thus, using average deviation function, we can calculate mean absolute deviation values in one go. Now, let's use our current example and see the mean absolute deviation of the cities mentioned. The mean absolute deviation retrieved is 2.43 for Wellington. As per our calculation, the temperature of Wellington city will be around plus minus 2.43 of average temperature. Let's check the current temperature of Wellington, which comes under mean absolute deviation range. Here's the homework for you guys. Check out the current temperature of Dubai, Paris and Toronto cities and see if it falls under mean absolute deviation range as well. So that's it in today's video on average deviation. If you find this video interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.